Depuis 20 ans, Paris n'avait connu pareille chute de neige. 30 cm en 2 jours, disent les statistiques.
Paris was definitely getting too cold for me. And my recent celebrity following the Maupiti Manor case was not making things any easier. I had just recently closed the Duhamel files, a more classic case. A husband who realized that despite having given dozens of navigations lessons to his wife with an instructor, was still unable to decipher port and starboard. With Duhamel's yacht becoming for himself an embarrassing object, he finally agreed to confide it with his crew in reward for my services and my silence. Jumping at the chance, I was aboard 3 days later. Time for vacations. We arrived at Madagascar and stayed at the Antananarivo Hotel for a week until I received a letter from Max, my old friend, inviting me to join him in Japan in a monastery. Duhamel was still struggling with his divorce, yet he finally gave me the authorization to sail away. We prepared everything during the week and sailed for Japan. But Cyclone Harry interrupted our trip in the middle of the Indian Ocean and forced us to take refuge on Maupiti, an island with paradisiacal landscapes well known to sailors. We docked before the night. I did not know then that this stop would turn into a mysterious and exotic investigation, way more dangerous than had been expected.